5 WordPress themes to totally avoid. 1. X theme. X theme is billed as the last WordPress theme you'll ever have to buy. This bold claim refers to the fact that it includes multiple designs within the one package. The developers of this theme have called these unique designs stacks, and the package currently includes 4 different stacks. Unlike some other themes that include skins and the ability to change the appearance using custom settings, these stacks are unique designs but that create some problems since the X theme also includes a set of options for customizing the stacks, which ensures that no 2 installations of this theme will look the same. While X theme comes with unique designs for just about any niche, it is not the best. The Cornerstone Builder plugin that comes bundled into the theme is one of the buggiest page builders plugins. To begin with, the plugin breels down frequently. If you're using it to make changes to the site and step away for a bit, when you come back and try to save the changes, you'll get no response. Zilch nada. You have to refresh the page, lose all the changes, and start all over again. That is extremely frustrating. The developers are yet to figure out a way to get rid of the frequent timeouts. At least they should make it such that Cornerstone notifies users when it is about to time out. If you ran into a problem with Cornerstone, you pretty much have to fumble your way to a solution. Because the X theme is dependent on the Cornerstone page builder, they have 2 separate installations to perform and are also updated separately. This means that the X theme and Cornerstone page builder can become out of sync, and this can lead to unpredictable conflicts on your site. Even more, since the theme licensing is managed through ThemeForest Envato, you must manually renew your license once per year or else your site's theme will become outdated and insecure. This trips up many site owners because most paid software allows for automatic renewal, so you don't have to worry about your license expiring. The biggest issue with the X Pro theme is that they decided to build an overly complicated interface to build custom headers and footers. I think this was a big mistake. I much more prefer the way Elementor and Beaver Builder did it. You use that same page builder interface that your users are already familiar with, versus forcing another learning curve down their throat. 2. Education WordPress by EduGate. If you don't know your way around WordPress code, stay away from Education WordPress EduGate. Trying to change something as simple as the header requires you to mess around with the files in your WordPress installation. Most of the time, you'll end up crashing the site. Another thing you won't like about EduGate is the lack of customization options. You'll have to hire a professional to help you change elements on your site. The theme is not ADA American with Disabilities Act compliant, which is a major issue for any public or private education website. It is not easy to use, it needs a lot of support and something very difficult to customize, especially the translation. Something not customizable at all if you are not a program. Reports of their user support complain about the length of time it takes to get help. 3. Live WordPress theme. A theme that hasn't been updated for the last 2 years is a sign of trouble. Live from Designova masquerades as a premium theme. The lack of a modern UI, support for page builders, and non-existent documentation will have you pulling your hair out the moment you install Live. The fact that it has not been updated in years is a serious concern. Live is designed for bloggers. One of the problems is that it is designed for rather short messages. Reveal animation requires max height of the elements. 4. Camille Personal and Magazine WordPress theme. This theme is clean and modern looking, which we love, and if you want to use the simplest version of the demos, then it is a great and affordable theme. Plus it is generally a pretty fast theme unless you do not optimize your images. However, you should have an in-depth understanding of WordPress in order to truly customize this and get the most out of this theme, as the customer support is reported to be horrendous. For a magazine-style theme, Camille does a good impression. Too bad the developers can't imitate the workings of a good support department. Users who run into problems with their installation often have to jump through hoops to get much-needed support. Even though Camille got an update in 2019, it doesn't seem like it has much of a future though. Only about 700 sites use the theme, and that number is not terribly encouraging in terms of future long-term support. 5. Medical Link WordPress Theme. While it comes with all the bells and whistles of a viable premium WordPress theme, Medical Link is plagued with problems. From users not being able to find their way around the dashboard to entire sites going offline by themselves, Medical Link fails to live up to expectations. Just like the live theme mentioned above, it also only has about 700 sales and hasn't been updated in 2 years. Sorry, but health professionals have to have secure websites. If you install this theme for your organization, be prepared to have disappointed clients. The contact form and search bar goes on the fritz every so often. You'll have to know quite your way around CSS tags to get the appoint form working, and some plugins just won't work with the theme. This story was just our opinion, and we advise you read the other online reviews of these themes, as others have different opinions than ours and many people actually love these themes. From a web developer standpoint, we of course have a different opinion.